fields like quality control and inspection, where AI algorithms can now analyze images and videos far more efficiently and accurately than humans, detecting even the smallest defects in products or infrastructure. Section 4. The impact on industry efficiency and beyond. The integration of AI in mechatronics is having a profound impact across numerous industries. In manufacturing, AI-powered systems are optimizing production processes, reducing waste, and enhancing product quality. The ability of AI algorithms to analyze data from various sources enables manufacturers to make data-driven decisions. The transportation sector is also undergoing a significant transformation. Autonomous vehicles, powered by AI and mechatronics, are poised to revolutionize transportation as we know it. In the healthcare industry, AI-powered medical devices are enabling more precise diagnoses, personalized treatments, and improved patient care. These examples highlight the transformative power of AI in mechatronics, demonstrating its potential to enhance efficiency, productivity, and innovation across various sectors. Section 5. Future Trends. The road ahead for AI in mechatronics. The field of AI in mechatronics is constantly evolving. One significant trend is the development of increasingly sophisticated AI algorithms. As algorithms become more advanced, mechatronic systems will continue to improve in terms of their learning, adaptability, and autonomy. Another important trend is the increasing availability of data. The proliferation of sensors and the growth of the Internet of Things, or IoT, are generating massive amounts of data that can be used to train AI algorithms. This data explosion will lead to more accurate predictions, more effective decision-making, and the development of even more sophisticated mechatronic systems. Furthermore, we can expect to see a greater emphasis on human-machine collaboration, essential for harnessing the full potential of AI in mechatronics. Section 6. Education in the AI era. Preparing for the future. The rapid advancements in AI and mechatronics underscore the importance of adapting education systems to meet the demands of this evolving landscape. Students entering the field of mechatronics today need a solid foundation in both traditional engineering principles and emerging AI technologies. Educational institutions must incorporate AI concepts and tools into their curricula. Hands-on experience is also crucial. By fostering a new generation of engineers who are well-versed in both AI and mechatronics, we can unlock the full potential of these transformative technologies. As we stand at the threshold of the AI revolution, the fusion of AI and mechatronics presents both unprecedented opportunities and challenges.